Okello here, founder of A&J Eco Beauty, your #1 formulation partner in Kenya. We're here to ensure that you have the information and the knowledge that you need to begin or grow your formulation journey, and to ensure that you have access to good and safe ingredients for your cosmetics and personal care products. So thank you for engaging me through the videos. There are now enough videos up there in our channel, so I hope you've subscribed and you've watched all of them and you're making good use of them. So hopefully you've tried something, and please do share on how they turned out, and we're learning together. So also let me know what I can do better and what you did in your product that made a difference that you think I can try. Let me know also what you want to learn, what you want to see me formulate, and if you have questions on how to get the ingredients, then comment on the comment section below, and we'll be sure to get back. So thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for those that have kept participating in the conversation. Today we are back to making body scrubs, and I say back because I've already done a video on how you can make a body scrub. I have a video on how you can make an emulsified body scrub. If you haven't watched it, please go and look for it. However, today I want to show you the fastest and the quickest ways to make a body scrub without having to figure out all those complicated terms that you may hear about. Surfactants, emulsifiers, and waxes, and emollients, and all those kind of things. If you do not want to go through the hecticness of figuring out what to put where, there is a way out for you. And the solution is buying a pre-mixed scrub base. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can use a foaming scrub base to make your body scrubs. It is very simple. Basically what is happening is that someone has already figured out the first steps and stages for you. So someone has already put in the surfactants and the emulsifiers and the emollients together for you. Your only work is to take that base, that will be the base of your product, and your only job is to take that, add your favorite exfoliant, add your colors, add your fragrances, and you're ready to go. Like, how cool can it be? So let's get into it. So this is our scrub base. As you can see, it's white, or rather it's colorless, because it's a base, and which means then you have the freedom of adding whatever color that you want to add. It also does not contain an exfoliant, so that you also have the freedom to choose what exfoliant you want to use. But basically what a base is the foundation of your scrub. So you already have emollients in here, whether it's oils or butters that have been chosen for this base. You already have stabilizers in here. There are surfactants in here, and there is already a preservative. So this is a stabilized and a preserved scrub base. And then for this specific one, it is sulfate free, because the surfactants that have been used are sulfate free. So the base has, or rather the foundation of your scrub has fully been covered. And the only thing you need to do, like I said, is just add in your exfoliant, add in your colors if you want to, and add in a fragrance if you chose to. And so right now I'll just go into it and I'll show you how you can do that. So I want to weigh in my base. So I need to tear the weight, and I want to make two different types of scrubs. So I'll use the same exfoliant, but I will use different colors, and there is a wide range of the colors or the exfoliants that you can use. So for today I want to make the same scrub, but I'll just give it different colors, but it's just the same kind of scrub that I'm making. And I will only use this base, and then I will use an exfoliant. The exfoliant that I'm using today is Apricot shells, and this is the fine one. So this is the type that you can use for face. There's also the medium and the coarse that you can use for different parts of the body. And then I'll just use two different colors. So I'll use makers. So in the end, I want to have two different colors for the same scrub, and then I will use an essential oil for my fragrance. I need to weigh in my base scrub, and I also forgot to mention that this one is a foaming base scrub, so which means there's a foaming agent that has already been included here, so that as you use it, you get the foam feeling just as you do when you're using a body wash or when you're using a soap. As usual, I will link in the percentages of what I have used below so that you can give it a try. I'll turn my weight up and then I'll measure or I'll weigh my exfoliants. I think I have enough of what I need, and then I just need to mix this up. So obviously apricot shells are brown, so they'll give your scrub a brown color, and therefore you can use something else that has a different color. So for example, sugar will be white, so you would have this remain white. So really that is up to you. I've already mixed my base and my exfoliant with this, which is apricot shells. The apricot shells are very fine, but yet very effective as far as exfoliating is concerned. So you don't really need to add it beyond this point. Guys, this is a complete product. This is a finished product. It's just as simple and as easy as that, but I want to give my scrub color and life, so I will divide this into 2 portions and then I'll add my micas and we'll see how it turns out. And just like that, my good people, we are done, and we have these beautiful scrubs. They do not pour even though they flow easily. I love everything about them. The smell, the consistency, the functionality, obviously because I've used them and I've tried them. And it's just as simple as ABCD. So we want to try them and see if they really do what we are hoping they do. So I'll put this aside and use this for my trial. Let me see. So first of all, it spreads easily on the skin. I can feel the effects of the apricot shell, but in a gentle way. I don't feel like it's tearing my skin, and really that shouldn't be the case. A good scrub should be soft, gentle on your skin, but yet effective. As I dry it off, my skin feels good, and obviously the apricot shells, even though they're very fine, they easily rinse off. And like I said, because this product already contains some oils, then it doesn't leave you feeling dry, and that is exactly what you are hoping for in the end. And this is a complete product. Obviously, the only thing you need to do if you're selling these is just to add your labels and then Perfect. So this foaming scrub base is available in AJ Eco Beauty. You only need to call and we'll be more than glad to plug you in to this amazing way and easy, simple way of making body scrubs. And after you package them, you only need to put in your labels, and these are products you can easily sell or give them as favors, as gifts for bridal showers, baby showers, your family and friends, or just make them for home use. Thank you for your time, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying connected and plugged in. Continue sharing your comments, continue sharing your views. Once again, do let us know what you want us to formulate, and we'll be more than glad to. And that's it from me today. Keep well, keep safe, guys. Stay wise, stay profitable, and love one another. Until next time, goodbye.